fully deployed. Guide the horses out slowly. Watch the debris field to the left.
Control, this is Sierra 1.
The herd is moving down the ramp. Confirm the drop zone is secure.
This is Command, this is Rescue 1. The gates are open. We are proceeding into the facility with the equine unit.
All right, everyone, let's move. Guide them through the gates slowly. Watch out for the debris on the left.
Command, this is Tango Foxtrot. We are crossing the threshold now. All horses accounted for. Proceeding to holding area Charlie. Command Center, this is Rescue 1. We are initiating entry sequence B with the herd. Requesting clearance for Sector 4.
Control, this is Rescue 1. We are initiating transfer to the staging area.
All horses accounted for. Base, this is Sierra 1. We have the assets secured inside the factory. Gates are closing.
All teams, cycle initiated. Monitor pressure levels on the flanks.
Over. We need to maintain the spray pattern for another 3 minutes. Confirm readings on horse 3. Base, this is Unit 7. The display is secure. Standing by for next deployment.
Station 3, increase pressure on the rinse cycle. We have confirmed pickup at 1400 hours.
Copy that, base. The horses are fully decontaminated. We are ready for transport.
Confirming fan activation. Humidity levels dropping rapidly.
Sector Gamma reports all subjects extracted and decontaminated. Status green. Proceeding to holding area.
Base to command, we are approaching checkpoint Charlie. 5 equines secured, proceeding to the next station.
The horses are fully dry. We are moving to the next sector.
Base to command, we are approaching checkpoint Charlie. 5 equines secured, proceeding to the next station.
Base, this is Sierra 1. Data collection complete on equine subjects. Proceeding to next sector.
All Group A assets are cleared for transit. Proceed to staging area Gamma. Over.
Arms engaged on target group. Yield appears consistent with projections. Monitor horse vitals and confirm extraction protocol.
Unit 3, localized shearing is at 98% efficiency. Maintain current speed.
Command, this is Rescue Team Alpha. We are proceeding to Sector 4 with the equine assets. Over.
Quality check on line 3 confirms tensile strength is within acceptable parameters. Moving to Station 4.
Control, this is Rescue Team 7. We are advancing through the designated sector. Requesting immediate structural assessment on the collapsed building ahead. Over. Base, this is Rescue Team Latina. We have the first group secured and are moving them out. Send the next batch coordinates.
Over. Dispatch, we are proceeding with the removal plan.
This is Rescue Team 7 to command. We have reached the primary search area. Requesting backup at grid reference 4B.
Over.
The extraction process is stable. Group C, report status on the yarn spooling machinery. We are at 70% capacity.
Movement on the bottom. Group A is advancing. Prepare for the transition at Sector Gamma.
Acknowledged. Horses A-Red 5 through A-Red 12 are entering the sterilization chamber. Initiating automated closure.
Scan complete on Unit 3. Data uploaded to the central server. Markings are aligned on Quadrant 4. Adjust spray trajectory by 2 degrees north. Confirm receipt.
Staging area reports inbound material. Confirming receipt at marking station Charlie.
Command, this is Unit 3. We are advancing through Sector 4 with the equine team. The laser grid is active. Proceed with caution.
Command to Team A, maintain current trajectory. The path is secure but unstable. Monitor the equine movement closely.
Robos, execute pattern C. Command, this is Rescue Team Lead. The subjects are secured on the conveyor. Advancing now. Accuracy confirmed on all sections. Maintain current flow rate on the conveyor. The cutting line is clear. Direct the horses to the next section carefully now. We have 3 hours until full dark. Move out. Control, the path is clear. We are moving the horses to the next station now. All secure.
All right, team, keep the pace up. We need these vests ready for the next deployment within the hour. Alpha 1, confirm supply levels.
Command, we are advancing to the target structure. We are clear of the vehicle debris at position Charlie.
Base, this is Rescue 1. We are proceeding to Sector Gamma. The mobile stitching unit is operational, but we need backup for debris removal. Sector Gamma, this is Rescue 1. We are advancing through the debris field at the main intersection. Over. Command, this is Team 1. We are moving through the debris field towards the structure. Over. All right, team, stick to the grid search pattern. Move that debris to the left. Watch your footing. The vests are clear. We're moving the heavy gear toward the collapse zone now. Command, this is Rescue Team 3. We have eyes on the target zone. Structural damage is extensive. Proceeding to Sector 4.
Command, this is Team Lead B1. We are moving past the obstruction on Elm Street. Over.
Scanning confirmed. All red horses are accounted for and tagged. Proceeding to the staging area.
Ensure all reflective strips are secured before packing. We need these ready by 1600 hours.
Over.
Command, this is Sector Gamma. We have secured the perimeter. Moving to the staging area now. Over.
Base, this is Unit 7. The display is secure. Standing by for next deployment.
All vests and helmets are secured. Base. Deployment package is ready for final inspection.
Base, this is Rescue 1. We are proceeding with the equine unit. ETA to Sector 4 is 10 minutes. Over.
Everything looks stabilized and secure. Advise the transport team we are ready for the next phase.
Command, B1 here. The area is secure. We are proceeding to the objective with the assets.
Control, this is Team Alpha. The lineup is secure and ready for inspection. All horses are accounted for.
Command, we are proceeding to the next waypoint. The structural integrity here is compromised.